Hey guys, Rhonda Draculis, RK3 Designs, and this is a super duper quick finish that is really neat. I've done it in a couple of houses that they want kind of a marbly look, but they don't want a lot of the white. They want more of the grays and the silvers. So this is super fast, super easy, and a lot of fun. So I'm starting off with Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy tinted with their silver metallic base tint. And I'm just gonna rub it out. And this metallic base tint alone is really pretty. Makes a really pretty finish. Get your edges. And like I said, this is a no-brainer. You don't have to think. It's just get it on there. And I am gonna torch that just a hair because I don't want to do a lot of torching once I get the rest of my colors on there because I don't want there to be a ton of movement. All right. Just enough to get those bubbles out. All right, then we're gonna come in with white tinted epoxy, Stone Coat Countertop's new white color, and I'm literally just drizzling it over. No rhyme or reason, no pattern. I'm not going back and forth, or I'm just randomly sticking those colors on there. If you want a lighter finish, you can put more white. If you want it to stay more gray and neutral, you don't have to put quite so much white. And then I'm gonna come in with black. And I'm gonna do a little bit less black. I don't want a lot of black in this finish, so I'm just putting a little bit. All right, so that's it. Isn't that pretty? Just kidding. All right, now I'm coming in with my little Bondo spreader, and literally all I'm doing is chopping this up, not over mixing. Let it play on its own. Leave it alone, let it play. Torch it just enough to get those bubbles out. I don't want to torch too much. I don't want my finish to really move. The more heat you add, the more fluid your epoxy gets, and then it just becomes really soft. So I really kind of just want to leave it like that and let it kind of play on its own. You can hit it with some alcohols. You could leave it alone. I think I'm going to hit it with just a little bit of bright silver metallic mixed with 91% isopropyl alcohol. Let me go get it. Okay, so I'm really liking how this is turning out, and I'm just going to hit 1/2 of it and see how I like it before I do the whole piece. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, the whole piece, here it comes. And that's just in a bright silver. I barely hit that, guys. I mean, I barely put any on there. I don't want a lot of movement. I don't want a lot of alcohol on this piece because then I'm really gonna get a lot of movement. So I'm gonna let this sit up. See what happens. I may come back and wake up my metallic just a little bit, but right now I'm gonna call it quits and see what happens. Give it about 15 or 20 minutes. So, super easy, super fast.